Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download GTA San Andreas. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So there are actually a few different ways that you can download GTA San Andreas. However, the best way I would recommend to get hold of this game is to come across the Steam and actually purchase this from Steam. So to do this, what you want to do is open up Steam, whether that's the Steam app or the web-based version of Steam, and you want to go to search box at the top and just go ahead and put GTA into the search box and then click the search icon. So you can see this is going to bring up all the current versions of different versions of GTA. Now GTA San Andreas is just a bit down. You can see it's here, GTA San Andreas, the definitive edition. So what you want to do is click onto this one. And because this is an age-rated game, what you're going to want to do, of course, is put your date of birth in first of all, and then click view page. So what it's going to do is take you across directly to the download page. Now this is actually available as part of Grand Theft Auto Trilogy, the definitive edition. So in addition to San Andreas, you're also going to get Grand Theft Auto 3, the definitive edition, and Grand Theft Auto Vice City, the definitive edition, as you can see down here in the description. So what you're going to want to do is press the green add to cart button to add it to your cart. Now what you can do is choose to purchase for yourself, or you can purchase it as a gift if you're purchasing this for someone else. So I'm just going to go ahead and click purchase for myself. And then what you want to do is choose your payment method. So you've got a few options available, obviously. This depends on what country you're in. But you can see for myself, I got things like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and so on and so forth. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and select PayPal. And what you're going to want to do is click continue. That's going to take you across the payment method page. So you would now go ahead and put your details in for the way that you want to pay for the game. And once you've gone ahead and done that, you've purchased the game. What's going to happen is you're going to want to come up to your library at the top here. And if you look to the left hand side, you will see this in your library. So what you're going to want to do is select the game from your library. And when you first click onto the game, it's going to say install. So what you want to do is click the install button to start installing GTA San Andreas to the Steam. Now to go ahead and play the game, this install button is going to change to a play button once that's been installed. So of course you can just go ahead and click the green play button and you'll be able to go ahead and play GTA San Andreas. So also have to go ahead and download and play GTA San Andreas. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.